that's cool.
We're not doing some exploring, like, can we?
No, it's
Fucking insane, like. Every time I look at the map, I find a new fucking road or a new fucking. I look at that trail bit, I'm like, fucking hell, there's loads of shit. What you did and just forgot. Look at that.
fucking stunning, isn't it?
Yeah. How nice was that?
That's right. Fucking stunning. If you need a drink.
No, we'll get, the next time we come out past the garage, I'll get a good stop.
A lot of people around.
Yeah, that's why it stops.
Yeah,
Touch me. Touch me. The sun always shines on my pecker.
I'm turning it off. That's it.
Channel 2 what? Channel 2. Yeah, that's very cool, isn't it? Go for a ride in the woods.
See what?
Juro.
Oh, I just,
Camping. See, fucking perfect camping down there, wouldn't it?
yeah, wild camping, innit? No one's going to give you any shit. You're not allowed to do it, but no one's going to fucking bother you, are they?
Give a fuck here today.
Yeah, no one's. There's no fucking nothing. Find stomach.
Love it.
Find stomach. Look at that.
Oh, wow, that is a proper summit, isn't it?
Yeah, it's proper fucking.
Fucking hell, and a drop off to the side as well. Shit. That's real pretty. Well, nice. Fucking hell, stunning, mate. Absolutely stunning.
Fucking hell. Oh look, it's all here.
Oh, so fucking pretty, isn't it?
It'd be good up here in the winter, wouldn't it? We better see all of it.
Yeah.
Imagine that.
Fucking full of snow.
Yeah, that's what we want.
Magical mystery tour.
Going and going.
Did you know my name? So I'm a big deal. On the internet, you is. Yeah. Nice to use.
Just bring us out onto.
Oh, fucking hell.
Bring us all out onto Snowdon now, look. That was the idea.
Oh, mate. Fucking hell.
Yeah. And I'm pretty sure there's some, we can pull in somewhere. I'm pretty sure there's somewhere down there.
Tours.
But there's no cars, so we can just stop.
Yeah. Oh, tell us the fucking wheelie then. Tell us where you stop.
Stop here, stand on the fucking wall. You're not going to get a better picture here, are you?
No.
To be fair.
They may wonder why we bought the stops. He's got his karate chop going and everything. And his fucking foundation and everything.
These up here, so there's plenty up here. Yeah, that guy's been along up here.
Whether they're fucking legal or not, there's not many legal ones up here. The bongo. The bongo. Oh wow, this is fucking steep.
Yeah, very nice. Gravel. Stop. You like the gravel. Meow. Oh, yeah. Cool, innit? I've got to admit, I had no idea it would be like this. I knew it was a single track, but I didn't know whether the gradients, you know, I didn't know it was going to be like this. I just knew it'd be a single track. That's just like fucking insane.
Yeah, that's
Lots of fun.
Have a good time as well. Yeah, we'll be fucking reading like this.
Gypsy boy, gypsy girl.
Oh, I'm going to look at this. This is not going to a tunnel, right? I'm sure of it. There's a bit further on. I'm looking on the map and it should go.
And I'm looking for my destiny. I'm still looking for.
Sure of it. 2 years old this thing. Google map.
Fucking hate seven.
Yeah, this is not the area next to right now. Right, you'll recognise all this now.
Yeah, I know where we are.
Yeah. So we've never gone this way. Have we been this way? Yeah, we have. We saw that girl.
Yeah, we've been this way, yeah.
What's he doing?
I was waiting for your smiling face. I'm controlling
Fucking 10-box wanker.
and reducing.
Here's another one here, look. Look.
Oh, is this a road up to that pull-in then, is it?
Yeah, so this is,
Right.
so this is when these two,
Oh, just go a fucking nice street. Oh,
yeah, I'm pretty sure there'll be one now.
it better be Phil. Well, fucking use it.
Oh, they'll go home otherwise, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sales.
Fucking best, worst ride ever.
Livid.
Promise an ice cream.
and
Fucking let me down.
there's a
He
road
does
there.
promise us a lot of stuff though, doesn't he?
He does, yeah.
Oh, that's delivered. Yes. Ah, good man. Told him to be here.
I wanna ask you.
Fucking stunning, man.
Fucking lady lads. Some of your ass cream. Move your ass.
Oh, fuck's sake. What way to put you off, innit?
Move your ass cream.
That is fucking excellent.
I'm a dreamer, I'm a liar, down in heaven with your sweet smile. Wish I
Oh,
had
someone's fucking phone.
sitting near me just to show you how much I want you. And I'm looking for
Hey, why I did?
my destiny, my destiny. Trying to looking for my destiny. You're a gypsy boy, a gypsy girl. You're a gypsy boy, I'm a gypsy
Okay,
girl.
Scott.
You're a gypsy boy, a gypsy girl.
Yeah.
You're a gypsy boy, I'm a gypsy girl.
And then, mountain pass.
Good road this. Oh, look at that. That's fucking stunning, isn't it? Hey, come around that corner. That is ace. Oh. Miserable.
He did nod to me.
Yeah. Oh, did he?
Yes. How come you get all the good look? Look at that crack going through that fucking big rock.
Oh.
That's fucking
Which
mad,
rock?
that is.
Which fucking rock? Yeah,
The
which one?
biggest rock
That's
on the
obviously.
whole.
Yeah.
All of
That-
them.
That's got to fell out at the top there, isn't it? Ooh,
Fell
it'll
fell
break
out
in.
the sky.
Fell out the top.
Fell out the fucking sky, that bastard.
Fell out of somewhere.
Oh, hang on.
Fuck
It's
me.
the.
Come on, hurry up.
Fucking done it again, didn't ya? Absolute fuckers all day.
All day.
All day.
What the fuck's he
every day.
carrying? The Sherpa.
Fucking hell.
Clear down the hill. Clear.
Yeah. Head on. Go. Yeah. Yeah. That's where that zigzag's up. 18 times 69. 69! Oh yeah!
69.
18 best word in the world.
1869.
You get up.
1869.
Say your favourite Phil.
Yeah.
Oh god. I want a fucking picture of that.
It's
I
fucking,
know.
I
I
better
answer
than the picture. Better than the picture. I'll fucking change a receipt.
Everybody's
Receipt. Thank you.
we're going to stop in Mexico, isn't we? What number am I? I don't even know what fucking number that is. Do you know what number that? What number am I?
7.
7. Just like that. If I just get down to here, I'll put it in the start. I've done a pin drop, so we'll go and have a look at the start of it. Just so we know how it is, what it's all about, if you want.
Yeah, whatever you want, mate. Oh, is that off-road up there?
Think. And then that's off road all the way over. But this road here, we'll just pull in over here a minute.
Phil, you need to think outside the box. You just get into there, up over there, and then we're through.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we get up there.
It's strange, isn't it? Because that's what that video we watched. This is where it was.
Oh, is it? Right, okay.
If
Weird,
you look at trail vid, it'll show it on there, won't it? Yeah. Fucking go quick, go. Yeah, it's a whole new fucking world, isn't it?
Yeah. Fucking cool, isn't it?
Oh, jump!
Oh, I jumped him onto the grass in the middle.
Oh, shit, now.
Oh, shit, man, look at that. Oh, so cool. What a fucking excellent road. Look at that for a fucking view as well.
Yeah, it's
Fuck
fucking
me.
Yeah,
The thing is, when you're on the other side, you don't see it if you're too close to the mountain.
absolutely, yeah. Just the water was fucking built up through there.
It's a long way up, innit? Like carrying the stone up there.
I saw every fucking corner.
Oh, what a fucking road.
Oh my god.
You want to jump it so bad, didn't you?
I was there, I was like, a little bit of a turn now. I was like,
Yeah.
oh, fuck that. In the
Oh, that's fucking
There's a waterfall there. I bet it's fucking dry.
Dry.
There's a little bit
A tiny little dribble.
just coming off there. There, look.
Nothing, is it? Alright, Gary.
Slow down, you cunt.
Everybody's moving to the beat. The music makes me wanna move my feet. See, I feel the need to get away from the pain and
cool as fuck. Can we take our helmets off? It's like,
Fucking speak for yourself. I'm a big deal ranker, you know.
yeah,
That's no waving at me. It's fucking hell.
Mr.
You're an
Internet.
influencer. Mr. Internet.
Fucking hell. Fucking shot.
Hey, if we done this to the tarmac.
Fucking ice, isn't it?
Nice.
Africa.
African.